Hello students, myself Archana Marude from Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. In this today's video, we are going to learn about what is meant by projectile motion, what is meant by trajectory, what is the definition of angle of projection, and what is meant by velocity of projection. And before starting this point, first we observe this photograph. Here it is observed that when that boy hits a ball, then that ball makes some angle with the horizontal surface. This is the actual path in which that ball is thrown. But when we observe that, then that path makes some angle with the horizontal surface, and that angle is less than 90 degree, and that motion of body is called as a projectile motion. We know that there are two types of motion. First is rectilinear motion and second is circular motion. And this is also one type of motion is called as projectile motion. And therefore from that definition is an object thrown in air making some angle with the horizontal, but that angle is less than 90 degree is called as a projectile. Again, we observe this second example. Here, that ball is thrown in this basket, and it is observed that this is the actual path of that ball. When it thrown in that basket, then it makes some angle with this horizontal, and that motion of body is called as a projectile motion. And therefore here the definition is the motion of body thrown in air making some angle with the horizontal, but that angle must be less than 90 degree is called as projectile or projectile motion. And examples of projectile motions are: first is motion of football kicked in air, second is motion of cricket ball as batsman hits a six. Then here from this diagram it is observed that this is the horizontal direction, this is vertical direction. When any object is thrown in air, then when we draw the actual path in which it is thrown, that path is known as a trajectory. See here in this diagram, here this curve part shows that this is the actual path in which that object is thrown, and that is called as a trajectory. And therefore from the definition is the path along which projectile moves is called as a trajectory. Then what is my velocity of projectile? Again observe this diagram. Here it is observed that when that object is thrown in air, then it returns to the ground surface. After covering certain distance, it returns to the ground surface. But when it is thrown in air, then it goes with some velocity, and the velocity with which that object is thrown in air is called as a velocity of projectile. See here, this is the definition. The velocity with which a body in projectile motion is thrown is called as velocity of projection. Then what is my angle of projection? Here theta is the symbol used to denote angle of projection. See this diagram. Here that ball is thrown in air. Then here it makes some angle with that horizontal surface, and that angle is called as a angle of projection. Here definition is the angle made by the velocity of projection with the horizontal at the original point is called as angle of projection. See here in this diagram, here alpha is called as a angle of projection. Then there is a formula for angle of projection is that is equals to tan inverse 4h upon r. where theta means angle of projectile with the horizontal surface starting at the original point. H is the maximum height of projectile and R is the horizontal range of projectile. Then what is my maximum height of projectile? We know that due to the gravitational force, when any object is thrown, then it reaches some height, but after covering that distance, it returns to the ground surface, and the maximum vertical distance of that body from the ground surface is called as a height of projectile. Therefore, definition is the maximum vertical distance covered by a projectile from the ground surface is called as height of projectile. And formula for maximum height of projectile is V sin theta bracket square upon 2g, where h is maximum height of projectile, v is velocity of projectile, theta is angle of projection, and g is gravitational acceleration. Then what is the range of projectile? Here we know the meaning of range means this is the maximum reading. And here when that object is thrown in air, then it makes some angle with the horizontal surface. And when we measure the distance of that particle from original point to the maximum distance, and that total horizontal distance covered by the projectile or covered by the body is called as a range of projectile, and it is denoted by capital R. And therefore formula for range of projectile is v square sine 2 theta upon g. And here if we put the angle of projection is 45 degree, then we know that sine 2 theta is equals to 1, that means sine 90 is equals to 1, and therefore this is the maximum range of projectile, but it is possible when that angle of projection is equals to 45 degree. Then what is my time of flight? And here capital T is the symbol used to denote time of flight. Here we know that when any object is thrown in air, then after covering certain distance, it returns to the ground surface. But to complete that projectile motion, it requires some time, and that total time in which the projectile moves or it covers the entire trajectory is called as time of flight. And that time of flight is given by 2v sine theta upon g. Here v means velocity of projectile, theta means angle of projection, and g means gravitational acceleration. That's all about today's video. Thank you.